Well, Eli Tomac is making his KTM debut this weekend at World Supercross in Vancouver. Obviously, still looks like Eli Tomac, still fast, still competitive, and actually, from the training videos and from the little clip you'll be seeing further on into this video, stay for that. He looks smooth. He looks like a man who's been on that bike for a very long time. This does not look like a guy who has switched brands, switched, frame styles, had to add a clutch or a cable clutch to a bike that didn't have one. He looks good. Now, obviously, you can throw pretty much all this out the window if you really want, because it's practice. We're talking about practice. Anybody get that reference? I hope so. But it is. This isn't at race speed. This isn't against, people racing for position against him. This is warm-up laps. This is whatever you want to call it. But you have to say it's encouraging for him to be able to get on that bike in who knows how long he's really been riding it. I mean, it could be a couple months and just secretly riding it at his own track or whatever it is. But at practice speed, running for probably, 80% of what they actually could do, good warm-up laps, get used to the track, get used to the bike on the track. He looks good. And I'm excited about this because if he comes out and has a good showing, he comes out to a podium, a win, whatever, it's going to be a lot of confidence. Not that I'm assuming he's lacking it or needs it, but it'd just be good momentum to know coming into the year, you're already competitive. You're going to be a guy right up front, as he should be. I mean, he's a title contender racer, and who knows? I mean, it could be one of those things. This could be his year. He could one and done on that bike, get get the championship in Supercross, and just kind of say, I'm going to retire on the high that I could have 2 or 3 years ago with Yamaha before the injuries. Or it could be, hey, I feel really good. I can still race against these guys. Let's give it another year. That's what I'm hoping for. A 2-year deal on this bike would be incredible. Obviously, next year would be even better than it is going to be this year, with time to test, time to make it exactly how he wants. But this is going to be a good gauging race. I've only been on the race, or only been on the bike for X amount of time, especially for Tomac to know, like, if I finish at this place against these guys with my amount of time riding this bike, you can tell just a lot about how you're going to do on it, how you're going to feel on it. So, I don't know. You guys tell me, comment down below. How well do you think he does? Podium, win, top 5, whatever it is. Comment down below. Give me your predictions while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform lets you do, because it does really help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.